can get up there to mid to upper 90s. Thing with him is he's got his base on balls down 30 to 20.
Frazier will have to stay at third as Rolling Brown's out. One out of the inning. We're over 1,200 now, so we're on the backside. It's popped up. McDonald back. Can he get there? Over the shoulder. Great play. And look at him get the ball back here. Outstanding by John McDonald. Shallow right, Upton coming on, gets there. Joe Borowski will talk to you after the ball game. Maybe the Diamondbacks can rally and win this one.